Presenting the stunning Mini Porsche, a perfect blend of innovation, design, and pure automotive passion. Today, we explore this compact masterpiece from every angle. Let's begin with the unboxing. The moment you lift the top cover, the premium packaging immediately stands out, carefully secured, neatly presented, and crafted to impress. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the Mini Porsche, its remote controller, charging cable, user manual, and decals. Simple, complete, and user-friendly. From the side profile, you can instantly recognize the iconic Porsche DNA, sleek curves, aerodynamic lines, and an unmistakable road presence. The bold front design reflects confidence, featuring realistic headlights and a sculpted body that mirrors the real Porsche experience in miniature form. And the rear detailing. Just look at those taillights and the clean finishing. The attention to detail is truly remarkable for a model of this size. Operating this Mini Porsche is effortless. The remote controller features smooth steering, responsive controls, and a comfortable grip for users of any age. It comes with a rechargeable battery system, making it cost-effective and eco-friendly. Simply plug it in, charge, and you're ready for the next drive. Once on the track, the Mini Porsche shows what it's made for: smooth acceleration, quick turns, and impressive road grip. Even outdoors, the performance remains steady. Small bumps and uneven surfaces are handled with surprising confidence. And when it comes to speed, this little machine doesn't disappoint. Fast, agile, and responsive, just like a Porsche should be. With nearly 25 minutes of runtime on a full charge, it delivers enough playtime to keep you engaged and entertained. Premium build, impressive speed, and realistic design, but yes, longer charging and scratch-sensitive body are things to consider. As a collector's item, a gift, or simply a fun gadget, this Mini Porsche checks almost every box. Stylish, efficient, and absolutely worth the experience. Thanks for joining this review of the Mini Porsche. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and gadget content. See you in the next video.